Hello and welcome to our second chapter on HGB versus IFRS Big Picture. We will have 5 objectives for today. Let's have a look to these objectives. We will examine the purpose of financial reporting standards, and then we will look how IFRS and HGB standards objectives differ. We will look at historical development and evolution of these both frameworks. And then we will move on to conceptual framework and underlying principles to see the differences. After, we will see how the recognition and measurement differs under these both frameworks. And our 5th objective will be to examine, understand the organization and structure of these both frameworks. And of course, we will also talk about why you need to know these differences in organization and structure. Let's quickly go and tackle our first objective, which is going to be the purpose of financial reporting. Why financial reporting standards? Why do we need them? Financial reporting standards are a universal language. They help companies to communicate their business results. And imagine a situation where we have no accounting standards, then every entity would report transactions and events differently. And our financial statements users are going to be in dilemma, in chaotic situation, without being able to really understand or even compare these statements. Another more interesting comparison with languages would be, imagine if your mother language is German and your friend's mother language is Sanskrit. And if you talk and have conversation, of course you will not understand unless you transition to a common language like English, where you both can communicate and understand each other. The same way, accounting standards help to communicate the business results in understandable, in a universally or at least for that country accepted manner, and the users can take this financial information and make decisions based on this financial information presented, and of course knowing how they are prepared or what concepts, what policies they followed, and so on. After knowing why we need the purpose of financial reporting standards, which is to give useful information to our users so as they can make their economic and other business decisions. And this useful information should be, of course, timely, reliable, relevant, and so on. We will talk a bit later also on this topic. Let's now go and see how IFRS and HGB have different objectives. IFRS has investors in its mind. It like says, the objective of financial reporting is to provide useful financial information to lenders, investors, and other creditors. As we see, IFRS has this investor focus. Even IFRS board foundation has a mission saying that my mission is to bring transparency, accountability, comparability, efficiency to financial markets by helping to distribute financial information that is understandable and useful to users. Let me see if I have missed something about IFRS part. Yeah, I would love also to stress out in the IFRS world what useful financial information is.